Hey, today we are working on a ice cream coffin. I just emptied all of the ice cream and put it in there with the ice merchandiser. Keep it cold. We have to replace the evaporator temperature sensor, which is on the bottom down here. So take you along. Okay, got the panels out. That's the evaporator and the fans right there. So what we need to do is take this bottom cover off right here. Look at my old trusty Vendo bag, MB3. Nice bag. Okay, right there is the controller and power switch and speaker fuse. Pretty much the whole power supply is right there, so we just need to get it turned off. And it's off. And we get in here and replace that evaporator temperature sensor, which is this yellow cable that you see right there. Okay guys, I got it's all exposed. This is our evaporator temperature sensor, and we're gonna have to fish it back down through where it's sealed down to underneath, which is this one here. Pull it back and then run it back into the control box. So the easiest way is to cut it loose, tape it together, and try to pull it back through and hope that the tape doesn't break. So let's see if we can get this on the first try. There's a cable that we want right here. And get the control box pulled out, which is here. And here's all our cables, which is a big jumble of wires. It's this one here, goes on top of there. So we have to take this out, get it opened up here. And there we go. So we're looking for this one right here. It's tied in here. I got it all nice curled up, so make sure we cut loose the right one. So get this here, and it's plugged up right here. So I'm going to take this off. Pull it out. And I'm gonna cut the end off, tape the other one to it, and see if I can pull it up. Okay, got the ends taped together. Now we're gonna see if we can pull it up. Hopefully not break the tape loose. I'll let y'all watch that. Hot dog, we got it. All right, so now we got it. We gotta secure the bulb right here where the old one used to be, so that it'll be able to sense the coil temperature. All right, got the sensor in place and secure it down. So all that's left is to fold the fins over a little bit the way they had them to make sure it stays in place. Like that. Wrap the remaining cable back over this way. We'll pull up the slack, put the cover piece back on there and start reassembling. All right, we got the sensor in place, so now all we gotta do is just connect it back up to the control, which is on the plug, and get it all put back together. All right, it's the plug. Plug it back in. And pull some of this excess. Sorry about that. Some of this excess wire, and get it secured. Make it right neat back up in there, and we can close this up, push it back, and clean up our wires over there. And put this side back together, we can turn it on. All right, putting it back together is pretty straightforward. Just put the panel back up, put the screws back in, put the fan back in position, hook everything back up. Nothing's on the heater, so we're ready to turn it on and start dropping the temperature back down before we put the ice cream back in. Okay, got the unit on, evaporator fans are running, pressure's running, we're at 46 degrees. We'll put the bottom panels on, cover the top, help drop the temperature down before we fill it back up with the ice cream and make sure it gets down to temp. All right, what we'll do is cover the top, that'll keep it cold, get the temperature to drop, and we'll get that temperature on down before we load it back up with the ice cream. We'll leave this covered for a good 10 minutes or so. before we load it back up, and hopefully it'll be done, got down to temp, or at least below freezing before then. All right, that's replacing the evaporator coil sensor on a Vendo ice cream case. Got the ice cream back in, everything's closed up. Temperature is at 12.6 and falling. It'll get down to -10, and this repair is complete. So if you don't mind, hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. Have a good one.